does not have a helmet. T'Challa does not have a vest, but he is moving in the right direction. He has spotted one player, Uzi, coming into the equation, and easy finish as the squad of Janmara takes a chicken in their hands.
The probability was in their favor, the maths was in their favor, and you can't beat math.
I mean,
You can't beat the Uzi.
No 20, that is TDP has to get inside the circle right now. Circle domination is going to be something as NHN actually falls short and Reaper OP goes down out in the fight. And Gole also goes down, so this is looking really bad for NHN as just Lakhe is surviving. One player, how long? A grenade goes in but does not actually go in right now. Otherwise, it would have been an end game for two players of Janmara.
Yeah, but now Hype is the squad that's in trouble as Gurkha was taken down a couple of seconds earlier. The fact that INES is there as well, engaging upon 1971 Gladiators, can actually help out the players from the side of Hype. Lakhe has smoked himself, covering himself, just trying to hide from the players of the side of Janmara, who are charging in. T'Challa with that car is going to pick up his teammates. No, he heads up to the other fight. TDP, they come in for the rescue. Sarga takes a lot of damage, but is going to fall back, is going to try and be safe. Lakhe, he has rotated out of the circle for now. Mr. Yuzu, he's standing behind the rock. He's not moving at all. Utsarga, he is going for the flank. Yuzu is going to come out, and Utsarga survives with a magic pixel.
What?
Literally magic pixel.
Oh.
The zone touches him. The blue zone touches him. This is going to be a knock coming in, so he needs to run.
Run, boy, run. That's one thing that he needs to do. PN, it just goes down. That is just incredibly amazing by TDP. Utsarga is still surviving. He is still making his way right now. Doku goes down, but not Utsarga. I mean, the boy is on... he is invisible right now, if anything, and Animatrix gets eliminated out on 12th position. So once again, big names just going out, and Gurkha Whitey has been taken out. TDP, they are gonna go and take his kill, but then Hype Dalian also goes down, and okay, and Animatrix was eliminated. SK49, see, this is one thing, 1 versus 1, which team is gonna take as Utsarga spots one, but SK49 also goes on just 10 HP. Utsarga is trying to stay alive for his team. He takes him down as well. Utsarga is gonna heal or something. Prototype is out there, but then they are gonna go and give revive as well. Nepali only gets eliminated. One thing that Hype should do right now, 2 more smokes, and after that just heal and run away. Otherwise, they are gonna lose the game. PN Gaming gets eliminated on the 9th position with 4 kills for themselves. On top has been revived. One good grenade in that smoke can just end everything, and if by meaning of the end everything, it'll just, take the game away from them. Look at Prototype trying to move in backward. Gurkha does not have any first aid. He is using the bandage right now to save himself. JM Sonim, he has spotted some players of T2K. That is going to be the end of Shari. If Shari gets spotted, Shari has been spotted, like not exactly, but quite literally in those positions. We'll have to see what happens out there.
Yeah, but INES, Budrev was knocked down. Machine took a nade to the face. So INES, they are going to be in trouble, as well as 1971. The Gladiators are right next to them. And 1971 Gladiators, they are going to be looking to cause him some trouble for the side of INES and climbing up to the first spot themselves. On the other side, Rivals Noob, one of the few surviving players for his teams. I mean, just one player was taken out. Divine was taken out. Trigger, he is so low. Slayer is still hiding, slithering. And TDP, Hype up next to each other. Utsarga on top goes in, on top goes out. He has been taken out, and Utsarga is going to fall down as well. And Hype is the team that comes out on top. But the players are taking damage because 1971 Gladiators, now they focus their attention on towards Hype. Nightwing firing those shots. Prototype out in the car. He's going to be taken down in a matter of seconds. No, he still survives. The shots from the M4 and the 3X on it, they actually are not landing, but now his plan is to blow up the car, which is going to happen. But the Prototype still somehow manages to survive that onslaught.
Oh, that is incredible. Hype is trying to survive inside the game. Rivals Trigger goes down. Rivals is on a bad spot as Slayer and Noob are surviving. Look at this. Once again, JM Sonim trying to see Shari. That's one thing that he is just trying to do. And Shari is not giving him any location. I think Shari would like to die off the zone rather than give his kill to Sonim. But for how long? 1 pixel C was spotted out there of Shari. So that actually confirms to Sonim is there's one person out there. I think Shari is going to go outside the circle. He is not giving his kill as Sonim was trying to spot Shari. But then look at this. INES is here.
Yeah.
He is out there. So INES with 2 players surviving. How long can they... 3 players, sorry. How long can they go for it? And the airdrop is coming to 1971 Sinestro's side. if the zone actually moves to their side, they can easily win the game. Shem Solim goes down as Shari spotted him. T2K Shari is on domination, but then the play zone is going to eat him alive, and that's going to be the end of T2K. 5 teams remaining, ladies and gentlemen. 14 players surviving. Rivals there takes down INES's Evil Eye. Which team is gonna win this one? T'Challa is on 1 HP, not anymore, as Tier takes him down as Jean Maras. T'Challa goes down. Wong's smoke is coming in to survive, to actually give him a revival right now. 1971 as well. The circle is not favoring any team right now. Circle is on the outskirts of each and every, out of the reach of each and every team. Nightwing takes on INES's Tier, so they have a clear, if not clear vision, but still they have a vision, as Nightwing, he is trying to spot the players, but Ryan has spotted some players. Gunnar takes down one. Gunnar takes down Rivals. Zoo takes down Trigger, as INES is also taking part. And that is going to be the end of Rivals right now. Ryan also goes down from 97. 97, can it be the game of their comeback? Or can they just take each and everything in their hands? That's going to be one of the questions in the minds, as we have 4 teams remaining.
Yeah.
11 players surviving. Hype has the least chance of a chicken dinner right now.
Yeah, Hype has the least chance, but INES are there as well. Machine is the only man left standing, as Evil Eye was knocked down and Teo was finished off. Evil Eye is going to be finished off. Machine is the only man alive, and in this game for his team, can he take this one? INES, 1 man surviving. Hype, 2 people. Gladiators with 2 surviving, but 1 has been knocked down. And Gurkha from the side of Hype is going to be taken down, as Wang from Janmara is just going to eliminate the entire team.
Bad decision. You cannot take a vehicle in the final circle. That was a bad decision from the side of Team Hype. Shanmara T'Challa still surviving with a Bison, but his helmet in West. Look at them. They, if someone just punches him, that's just gonna just go out. That's gonna be one of the things. But then one of the things is that 3 teams surviving. Which team is gonna have a chicken dinner? INES, can they go on a roll, or is it gonna be 1971 second chicken dinner? Janmara also looking in forward for it. Janmara has a 50% winner chicken dinners forecast. Can they go for it? 2 players surviving from their side. 1971, 2 players surviving from their side. Janmara T'Challa goes down. They had 3 players. Now it will be 2. It was a 1v2v3 situation. Machine is moving in forward. He is out there. Spots in his throw. Takes him down. Nightwing. But then the damage has been done. 6 bullets in his gun. And he's going to go by the play zone. He is going to go by the play zone, as INES just goes out. It is a situation out here. 1v3. 1971. 1 Nightwing. Can this solo guy take the squad fight in his hands, as T'Challa is going to be out there being revived, and he has been revived. He has been touched by the hands of God, and he has been revived right now, putting up a first aid for himself. Gunnar, Wang, T'Challa, 3 players against Nightwing, who is in an adequate cover, 16 meters to the zone right now. He's trying to pop up the smokes in to get inside the circle. 40 bullets, does not have a helmet. T'Challa does not have a vest, but he is moving in the right direction. He has spotted 1 player. Uzi coming into the equation, and easy finish, as the squad of Janmara takes a chicken in their hands.
The probability was in their favor, the maths was in their favor, and you can't beat math.
I mean,
you can't beat the Uzi.